your phone wouldn't turn on or keep restarting automatically. It doesn't matter if it is an MI, Poco, Redmi, Oppo, Vivo or any other brand. This problem is common. The phone perfectly works fine when connected to a charger. But the moment it's unplugged, the issue starts to appear. Sometimes you might also notice that the mobile phone runs without being connected to a charger, but as soon as you open an application or perform a task, the mobile phone shuts down. Sometimes you might notice that the mobile phone is not turning on fully even though it's charging. It keeps restarting. And when you disconnect it from the charger, the mobile phone continues restarting few more times before finally shutting down, showing the battery signal or a signal that the battery is not charged, despite the battery actually being charged. Of course, you have already realized that the issue lies with the battery. However, the good news is there is no need to replace the battery for such minor problem. What you need to do is open the mobile and if necessary, remove the battery. Now, remove the battery front seal and here you will notice a small component that usually has Q or IQ written on it in most phones, depending on the brand. Other brand may use different label. This small component called battery protection IC and its main job to monitor battery voltage. If the voltage goes too high or drops too low, it cuts off the power supply to protect your device. However, when the IC malfunction, your phone turns off unexpectedly or fails to boot properly. Of course, that's not its only function. It also provides overcurrent protection, prevent overheating, ensure cell balancing, and safeguard the battery from short circuit. In such cases, temporarily shorting the IC can bypass the issue and get your phone running again. But remember, this is a quick fix and not the permanently solution. You will need to replace the faulty IC for long-term stability. If you want, you can keep it running as it is. I haven't noticed any issue in any of the device. You can also subscribe to my channel. I regularly bring a smart solution and tech tips to make your life easier.